Welcome back to AI Lifestyle, where we explore how artificial intelligence can simplify your daily life. Today, we're diving into 10 AI tools that can automate your routine, save you time, and make your life easier.
Whether you're looking to streamline your morning routine or manage tasks more efficiently, these AI tools have got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we have smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. These AI-powered tools can manage your home for you. From turning on the lights, adjusting the thermostat, setting reminders, or even playing your favorite morning playlist. These assistants automate your environment with voice commands.
Imagine waking up and having your coffee brewed, lights on, and your to-do list for the day read out loud, all without lifting a finger.
Next, let's talk about AI-powered calendar apps like Google Calendar and Calendly. These apps can help you schedule meetings and events without all the back and forth. They even suggest the best times for meetings based on your availability.
They'll notify you in advance so you never miss an appointment again.
Tired of sorting through your inbox? Superhuman and Gmail's Smart Compose use AI to help you write emails faster and even filter out unimportant ones. With AI handling the bulk of the work, you can focus on what really matters. Need help staying organized? Tools like Todoist and Trello use AI to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and remind you of important projects. These apps ensure that you're always one step ahead in your daily routine. Staying fit is easier with AI fitness assistants like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. These tools track your activity, recommend personalized workouts, and even adjust your meal plans based on your fitness goals.
These AI tools make staying healthy feel effortless.
Struggling with grocery shopping? Apps like AnyList and Bring use AI to predict what you need based on your shopping history and can even auto-generate a shopping list. Say goodbye to forgotten grocery items and last-minute runs to the store.
It's a game changer for busy families. No more wondering if you have milk or eggs at home. The app takes care of it all.
Not sure what to cook? AI-powered apps like Whisk and Tasty recommend recipes based on what you have in your pantry and your dietary preferences. Now, you can have dinner ideas without the stress. Want better sleep? AI tools like Sleep Cycle and Aura Ring analyze your sleep patterns and suggest ways to improve your rest. You'll wake up feeling refreshed thanks to AI. And there you have it. 10 AI tools to automate your daily routine and make life just a little bit easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips from AI Lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.